Alright, what are you doing today?
Eh?
Do you know speak Doric?
Eh?
Let me try and speak English. Is that better?
Yes.
I'm Star. What are you doing here?
Willow, I escaped from a zoo and I want to build my own home.
I can help you if you want.
Yes, please.
We'll go to Peep the Punk shop for nest stuff.
Right, Star, what you doing today?
Nae bad.
What's this be?
This is Willie.
Aye, far you fae?
He wouldn't understand you. You need to speak English.
Where did you come from? I escaped from a zoo. What you here for?
Nest stuff to make a home for himself.
Choose what you want and tackle out the till. Sticks, grass, and leaves. Okay, I'll look at that. That's 10 berries. Is that you heading a lap to Northfield now? No, I like it in Tillydrone. There's some nice people here. Heck, I'm tickled off. See you later, bye.
Thanks, Pete. Bye.
Aye, what's wrong with you? You're looking like Rabbit.
It's a parakeet cat, Willow. He's taking a shine for Star.
So you're jealous, eh?
Of course, nay. Well, maybe a tinsy-wincy bit. But I'm going to ask Winston to get rid of him.
Mind, he's a awful coarse bird. He could haze for supper.
We'll be alright.
Aye, alright. Alright, Melanie.
Fit you wanting? Need to ask you 2 favours. First, dinner eat us.
Alright, what's the other thing?
I'm needing you to get rid of a bird.
What kind of bird?
A green bird with a red ring round its neck.
Green? With a red ring?
Round his neck.
I'm not deaf, nor stupid. I hear you.
Sorry, well, I didn't like him. I need you to get rid of him.
Where's he biding?
We Star, the starling.
Ah, now I see. Jealousy. Let's poison him. Now, don't touch it with your beaks.
Cheers, Winston.
Ta! Messi, will you take the plum for me?
Aye, okay. Do I really want to do this? I don't even ken that Willie. Aye, you must be Willie. I'm Messi. Peep the Punk has sent you a present.
Thanks very much, Messi.
Wonder if that willow would taste nice with salt. Oh, it's that fine smell. Eh? Oh, I don't feel well. Oh, my belly's sore. I'm all dizzy.
Look at Winston. He's no real.
Oh no, he's poisoned.
Stamp on his belly. Make him sick.
I'm never using poison again.
This is a dangerous neighbourhood, but I still like it. Oh, Peep, thanks for the plum.
Oh, Peep. You were jealous of Willie. You are a dafty. You're as special to me. You're all my friends.
Hey guys, it's just good to be friends. Let's shake feathers on it.
Let's have a party to welcome Willow into Tillydrone.
Aye, what a great idea! Let's all party! Yay! Come on!